Namaste everyone. This is Siddha walk or infinity walk technique which we are following. We will be walking in the shape of 8 or infinite. So first technique, when we start, we should turn towards north, walk from the left side and walk to 5 to 10 minutes. When you turn south, you should do again 5 to 10 minutes, equal length of time. We will be holding Hridaya Mudra when we are facing north and Prana Mudra when we are facing south. In between the yoga mats, we are using acupressure mats to practice that, and chanting will be Bhagavad Gita. Atha Shrimad Bhagavad Gitasu Panchadashodhyayaha Purushottama Yogaha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Urdhvamulamadasyakam Ashwatham Prahuravyayam Chandamsi Yasya Parnani Yastam Veda Savedavit Adhaschordhvam Prasruta Tasya Shakha Gunapravriddha Vishayapravalaha Adhascha Mulanyanu Karmanubandhini Manusyaloke Narupamasyeha Tathopalabhyate Namto na chadar na cha sampratishtha Ashwathamenam suvirudhamulam Asangashasтрena dhridena chitva Tatapadam tatparimargitavyam Yasmin gatana nivartanti bhuyaha Tameva chadyam purusham prapadye Yata pravritti prasrata purani Nirmana moha jita sangadosha Adhyatma nitya vinivritta kamaha Dvandvair vimuktaha sukha dukkha sangnair Gacchantya mudaha padamavyayam tat Na tadbhasayate suryo Na shashanko na pavakaha Yadgatva na nivartante Tadhama paramam mama Mamaivamsho jivaloke Jivabhutas sanatanaha Manashyasthani indriyani Prakritisthani karshati Shariram yadavapnoti Yachyapyutkramatiishvaraha Grihitvaitani sanyati Vayurgandhani vashayat Shrotram chakshusparshanam cha Rasanam ghranameva cha Adishchaya manashchayam Vishayanupasevate Utkramantam sthitam vapi Bhunjanam va gunanvitam Vimudhananupashyanti Pashyanti jnanachakshushaha Yatanto yoginaschainam Pashyantyatman vyavasthitam Yatanto prakritatmano Nainam pashyantya chetasaha Yadadityagatam tejo Jagadbhasayate kilam Yachandramasi yacchagnau Tattejo viddhimamakam Gama vishyacha bhutani Dharayamyahamojasa Pushnami chaushadihi sarvaha Somo bhutva rasatmakaha Aham vaishwanaro bhutva Praninam dehamashritaha Pranapana samayuktaha Pachamyannam chaturvidham Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishto Mattasmritirjnanamapohanam cha Vedaishcha sarvairahameva vedyo Vedantakridveda videva chaham Dvavimau purushau loke Ksharashchakshara eva cha Ksharas sarvani bhutani Kotastokshara uchyate Uttamah purushastvanyah Paramatmedyudahritaha Yo lokatrayamavishya Bhivartyavyaya ishvaraha Yasmat ksharamati-toham Aksharaadapi chottamaha Atosmi loke vede cha Pratitah purushottamaha Yo mamevamasammudho Janati purushottamam Sasarvavid bhajati mam Sarvabhavena bharata इति गुह्यतमं शास्त्रम् इदं मुक्तं मया नघ एतद्बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान् स्यात् कृतकृत्यश्च भारत। ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु